iPhone 13 Pro Max,
Samsung
tablet,
Samsung Galaxy like your other
60-inch TV.
in that other bedroom. What am I supposed to do zipline with this? Ouch.
I don't know.
यूट्यूब पे मार दो पैसा निकालते तो मालूम बता देगो शब निकाला साले पूरे
हाँ भूल गया साला होती पब्लिक है टेम्पो टेम्पो भूल गई साले हो क्या करना
हाँ.
Two forks.
Okay.
Two.
बताने को
Lose हो गया.
हो गया.
कपड़ा आ जाता है
When we were coming out, that's why we were drinking.
Cutter? Fine. Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, you folks. I hope you guys are doing good. I'm doing well, alhamdulillah. So friends, today is Eid and everybody in the house is wearing new clothes. This is my outfit. Shaz, stand up. Shaz, stand up. He's wearing a pair. In the morning, you know what happened? He got ready and he was waiting for my father to iron it. And guess what? Because yesterday there was a lot of rush. The person forgot to remove it. So we had to struggle in the morning to do that.
And
But
then
eventually
she-
my dad took pliers and
look.
cut it off.
Look, and then this.
Yeah, there's a small hole. My mom stitched that. So yeah, and then my mom and my dad are wearing new clothes. So my mom also made sheer khurma, which I'm very excited to eat. I haven't eaten it yet because I have to go and have bath and all that stuff. Shaz.
Okay.
Someone grab Eid from him.
Papa, you eating money? Oh yeah, Papa, you're forgetting something.
What?
Eating money.
What do you want?
iPhone 13 Pro Max.
Samsung
tablet.
Samsung Galaxy like your other
60-inch TV.
in that other bedroom.
That smile says you're gonna buy.
I'm not going to
Yeah.
buy.
Sub cancel bolo.
Everything is cancelled.
What?
You're not
Eid
going to
money is
get-
also cancelled.
You're not going to get any Samsung tablet, iPhone, anything like that.
Oh my.
ED also cancelled.
Give me your wallet, please.
Okay, I'll keep money. ED. Okay. Okay.
How much you got? 100.
Assalamu alaikum. About that also. Huh?
Eid Mubarak and thank you. And his friend is sleeping.
No.
I'm sick and tired of this journey, so I'm just gonna remove it. And I'll also change so we can go out and have fun. We don't know where we'll go because it depends on Qatar's traffic. So I'm just remove this. Wait, how do you remove this?
Make it loose first.
Oh, yeah, we can. Yeah. Yes. Now my hands are free. This also. How do you remove these stuff? Okay, I'm gonna need my mom's help again. Yeah. Now my hands are free. Just like day for yesterday, we put mehndi. It was outside in front of a salon in Barba village. Oh, I have to remove this also.
foot. Sit your head.
Okay. I have no issues. I've been really.
Change your dress.
Do you know the most important thing required for eating lunch? That's comfort. There are some wrinkles, but I don't mind because I'm in my comfort zone. So yeah, now let me take you and scroll through my food. So first we have bagara rice, bagara chawal, and then we have dalcha. These are very like famous in India and even our place. So what is this? Khurma, right? Khurma, potato curry, keema, and chicken. Oh God. So now let's enjoy. Even Shaz is saying, if Mama can cook this much, why do we go for buffet? This is my second outfit of the day. And my hands are looking really. What are you doing with that? Okay, my hands are looking really empty. And yesterday we had guests over at our house. They brought this for me. It's called a kada. But I don't think I'm really gonna wear it now. So friends, now we'll go to Extreme and then after that fireworks and we have many other activities piled up. So we have to head out. It's currently like 4:30. So we have to go. This one I actually got hurt. How am I supposed to do a zipline with this? Ouch.
I don't know.
Mama, is it like a scratch here? Mama.
Almost. This zipline, this kites, this climb out. I thought, oh, there's only jumping. So I thought this wouldn't have. How am I supposed to go to zipline? So friends, we went to Doha Port. There were a lot of people. Like we couldn't even see the sea line because there were so many people. So people were taking pictures from bottom top, everywhere. And at last, no cars could go in because they blocked the road. Now what are we supposed to do? There was a lot of traffic, and guess where we ended up? We ended up in Wakrasok. The main reason we didn't get to explore and all was because everywhere only men's bachelors were filled and families, children, they never got chance. They didn't get any chance, as you can see in this video. There were actually many activities piled up, but no families got to roam around. Even at 4:30, around 4:30 we went. No parking. There was a lot of traffic. We couldn't even go inside. Like the road leading to it, from 4 or 5 kilometers away, traffic started. So we didn't get chance. We thought that we would spend our Eid al-Fitr going to Doha Port and all that stuff. But at last we ended up in Al-Wakrasuk.
Because it is closer to our house.
Yeah, because it's really closer. And farther from our house.
It's not far, but it's closer.
It's like 1 hour.
Yeah?
No. We had gone to old Doha Port. That's why we got this much late.
Alright, Peter, my new shoes.
This is actually good for Mama because she doesn't get the sand in her between the feet.
Alright, Peter, my new shoes.
The new shoes are already dead because you keep on dragging them.
What is your biggest fear? What's your biggest fear? Being seen on camera. Next. What's your biggest fear?
I'm scared of heights.
Scared of heights?
I don't like it. It's above 50 feet now.
My biggest fear, maybe darkness. Darkness and being alone. I have three. Darkness, being alone, and holes. What holes? Mama, have you seen this in stuff where there's so many holes? Yeah, exactly. That you'll have the fear of holes. New fear unlocked. New fear unlocked. She likes commercial areas. Papa doesn't like commercial areas. So he's kind of in the claustrophobic area. Claustrophobia means tight spaces. Do you have a fear of tight spaces? I kind of like I can stay in tight spaces, but I just don't like it being dirty. I don't like dirty places. I hate it. Friends, the best way to enjoy the fireworks and find a comfortable seat to enjoy it is go to any restaurant and get a seat there and start ordering food. We are actually really full, but we wanted a comfortable seat to sit and enjoy the fireworks. So we just came here and we ordered some food and we will eat, and by the time we finish the food it'll start and finish also. So that's a really smart thing to do. And the people there, you see some people there, they're probably operating the fireworks.
I'll actually complete it one more time.
The lights will be turned on. Please take care of your children. Thank you. Our meeting is at 8 o'clock at seaside. The lights will be turned off. Please take care of your children. Thank you.
I don't care. LOL. Shoot. It's on.
Like this shot.
7 5 4 3 2 0.
What is the time? What's the time?
It's 8:15.
10 minutes.
Papa.
Our dinner and Eid is over. And fireworks. And all our work we came here to do is over. Look at the queue. That's for paying the parking ticket. Look at the line. Look at this line. But my dad was smart and think before that while going we can just pay the money.
Oh, still a queue there.
But let's go.
Let's just stay in the car.
I will sit in the car. I am not staying outside. Friends, right now we're standing here. We're shooting videos, we're taking photos just for time pass because as you can see all the cars around us. Wait a minute.
It's jam all over.
Yeah. There are a lot of people. A lot of people came and people are having difficulty taking out their car. So we decided it's better we wait until all this traffic gets cleared, then we start going.